1980 on the PlayStation 4 system, Xbox 360, and PC. And we're not on any of those. We're doing cooking with SnakeEyesBP1980. And today we are going to be doing turkey burgers. Well, I know I said something about hamburgers, but we'll do the hamburgers later. Turkey burgers are basically another form of a hamburger, but it's only turkey, and you have less calories and stuff like that with it. So we're going to grill with the turkey burgers this time. So if you want to see what's going to happen next, come a little bit closer and see what we're going to do next. Just like the last time, what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, set every gauge here to set for gas to get built up. Then you come down here, turn the gas on, and then fire it up. There we go. And then we're gonna turn it so that all the heat's on there, and then we'll put the burgers on like so. Now, for seasoning, you can do whatever you want to do with seasoning. Right now we're doing steak seasoning on these things here, so here we go. And then basically keep an eye on your on the burgers and then see what's going to happen next. And then basically once you get one side heated, you want to flip it over and have it cooked. Basically, it's watching your food, making sure everything's cooked correctly. Turkey burgers are a little different than hamburgers. On hamburgers, when they turn a little darker gray color or a gray color or something like that, your burgers are ready. With turkey burger, it's slightly different. You'll see what I'm talking about once we get this cooking up. So stay tuned. So we're going to open this up and see what it looks like. So when you're cooking on the burgers, if it actually is very soft in the middle, you want to try to get underneath this like so and flip it. And then you season it again. And then you let it cook some more. And then you gotta keep an eye on this every so often so that you can actually keep track of everything going on with cooking. And basically you saw that maybe one of the patties were a little dark. You want to keep an eye on making sure everything's okay. And the burger should at least be done. So we're going to go ahead and put these burgers on the plate here after I flip them. Some of these are looking pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and put these here on the plate. And then I'm going to turn off the heat. And then I'm going to close this up. So basically now we got cooked turkey burgers. I don't think they look any different than steak burgers or whatever, those beef burgers or hamburgers. Depending on what you want for your food or whatever, if you feel like you want to be on a calorie count or whatever and worry about certain meats and stuff like that to enjoy, I suggest probably turkey burger. It's cheaper over at Aldi's or any type of local stores. Price your food, price your burgers or whatever, and finding out where you sit on that. But this is a really good, you know, making up the seasoning and stuff like that on turkey burgers. So if you really enjoyed this content, go ahead, bro punch that like button like a champion. If you really like to see more of this content or see more future content, please don't forget to hit this subscribe button and hit that bell, that notification bell, allowing you to know when the next time I'll be able to put up a video or go live stream. Other than that, hopefully you guys enjoy this content. Do come back and see me next time. Until then, bye for now.